In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and organize pages in a content management system. Whether you're building a personal website, a blog, or a professional platform, understanding how to manage your pages efficiently can significantly enhance the user experience and optimize your site's SEO performance. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the section where you can manage your pages. Typically, this is found in the main menu under Pages. Once there, look for an option like Add Page. This is your starting point for creating new content or adding additional sections to your website. Click on this option and you'll see a blank template appear. This is where you'll begin crafting the new content that you want your visitors to see. After you've opened the new page template, you may wonder about its placement on your website. This is where dragging and arranging pages come into play. Visualize your website structure much like you would a flowchart, where each page has its specific place. Now comes the practical step. Click and hold on the new page and you'll see it's ready to be moved. Drag this page beneath what we call a parent page. The parent page is typically a main section under which your new page logically belongs. For example, if you're creating a page called Team Members, it might make sense to drag it under a parent page called About Us. With the page positioned, it's essential to ensure it's correctly nested within the hierarchy of your site. Indenting the page properly is crucial. This action often involves dragging the new page slightly to the right until it visually aligns as a subpage under the parent. Proper indentation not only keeps your site tidy, but also helps in structuring the content in a more meaningful way for both search engines and users navigating your website. Once you're satisfied with the placement and indentation of your new page, don't forget to save your changes. This might sound like a small step, but it's very important. Saving locks in all the adjustments you've just made, ensuring your work isn't lost and your site reflects the latest organization. Now that you've saved your changes, you've successfully added a page, arranged it under the appropriate parent page, indented it accordingly, and saved your progress. Each of these steps plays a vital role in not just the visual layout, but also the overall efficiency and effectiveness of your website's navigation and user experience. I hope you find this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to structure your site in a way that makes both functional and navigational sense. Following these steps will help maintain ease of use, making visitors more likely to explore all your site has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!